Let's calculate customer acquisition costs by blending data from Snowflake and HubSpot. First, import Snowflake marketing costs by channel. Next, import HubSpot deal data with ad channel. To calculate customer acquisition costs, create a pivot table from each dataset. First, sum the costs for each channel. Now count the number of deals from each channel source. Lastly, create a column for customer acquisition costs, which is costs divided by deals made. Now let's visualize costs and deals over time with a combo chart. Make 2 quick pivot tables from each dataset. Cost per month, and now deal count per month. Make a combo chart. Lastly, a quick edit to help with visibility.